Most creatives don't fail because they lack the talent. They fail because nobody taught them how the money works. Creative wealth exists to change that. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below any other videos you want to see. If you're an artist, producer, designer, or any kind of creator, you learned how to make things and not know how to monetize your skills, then that ends today. Your ideas, your style, your originality, these are assets, real value. But assets only matter when you know how to turn them into income. Most creatives create endlessly, but they never build systems. No pricing structure, no strategy, no financial foundation. That's why they stay stuck. Active income is the money you make when you trade time for cash. Commissions, studio sessions, editing gigs, freelance work. It's good money, but it's unstable. Passive income is different. You build it once and it pays you repeatedly. Music releases, digital products, templates, presets, courses, and more. When you mix active and passive income, your creativity stops being a hustle and starts becoming a business. Creators overspend on gear and subscriptions instead of what actually makes profit. Spend less than you make, reinvest strategically, and build breathing room. You don't need a finance degree. You just need consistency. Track your money, save a percentage of every payment, and treat yourself like a brand with discipline. In this series, you will learn how to monetize your creativity, set up your business, scale your income, and build real financial freedom. If you're ready to turn your art into income and your creativity into power, you're in the right place. So I welcome you to Creative Wealth.